Hello everybody and welcome back to Motorcycle Vision. My name is Steve. This is the middle of December in northern Jersey and it is 60 degrees. So glad I did not put my motorcycle away for the winter. I knew this was going to happen. I knew it and I'm so happy. If you look, the geese are in the pond, people are walking around the park, kids are riding bicycles. 60 degrees, northern Jersey, middle of December. I know people complain about global warming, but you know what? Everything has its good side. And in northern Jersey, this is an amazing side. Like I said, 60 degrees in the middle of December. Awesome.
3 days later.
Well, it's December. It's about 28 degrees. And as you can see, this is definitely not going to be a motorcycle riding day. But for those of you who are not in the Northeast, I thought you might be curious to see why it's not a motorcycle riding day. I'll be spending most of my day shoveling this out and trying to get this cleaned up.